Your Excellency, there is no doubt that the NRM, under your leadership, is honoring the pledges made to the people of Uganda by delivering the promises made. Significant progress has been made in reducing the proportion of households still stuck in subsistence production from 68.9% in 2014 to 39% in 2020, and Your Excellency, as we speak, I think it is now 33%. Your Excellency, to enhance shared prosperity and inclusive growth, NRM government has implemented several programs, including but not limited to the following: Emioga, Women Entrepreneurship Fund, Special Enterprise for Older Persons, Youth Venture Capital Fund, Grow Project for the Women Entrepreneurs, PDM, and the 4-acre model, etc.